Hi guys, I'm Mark and I'll show you how to replace this how to replace the Razer headband in here. Okay, first thing you do is to remove this. So you can see the green dot in here. Here, yeah, that green dot. Remove that rubber. As you can see, if you remove that rubber, you can see a screw. Wait a minute. A screw, right? A screw in here. So remove that all. The two in the right and two another in the left. So let's do it. Alright. You can remove that using tweezer. If you don't have tweezer, then you can't replace your headband. So you have to provide this tweezer. Alright? Alright, done removing. As you can see, there's screw in two screw there and another two screw in here. Yeah. So of course we will remove that screw. Alright, then remove it. After you remove, then remove this. Up. Like that. So after that, you must remove this thing. You will remove this and also remove this rubber in there and remove the screws. After removing that shit, remove this thing. After removing that screw, I also removed the air cushion so that I'm easily can remove the shit. So if you fold this one, you can see two screw in there. So also remove it. You remove this one, that you can see metal like that, so you must pull it to remove that. Pull, no, not pull, you push it so that this will be removed. And if after you push it, then you can easily pull it with this one, and if you pull it, you can remove now this one. Alright, replacing headband is so hard, it's so hard. So you must remove this first, and after remove this, there's another tutorial on YouTube, but that is not my video. In another video, and how to remove this all cups. So you must remove this first so that we can because there's a wire in there, so we can just pull this out. We must remove this one wire in here. So after that, we must desolder this thing, that thing. We must desolder that, so that after we desolder it, so we can put inside the wire in this thing. Oh fuck that, this, oh fuck this shit. We must first remove this thing also, this what I'm holding right now, that we must remove that. After we remove that, my razor got wrecked. After we remove that wire, we must desolder this thing so that we can now put the headband, and we can now remove this and replace this one. After you remove that, this red one indicator means that this red is connected in that indicator red. Alright? I know that replacing this headband is so fucking difficult. So you must be careful so that these wires can't be stressed, would not be stressed. Alright, here we go. We're changing the headband replacement. And now we can replace the this is now the headband. So it's now the removed headband. After that you put the lock in here. You must insert the wire in this. Then after that you insert that metal in there. Before you solder the wire, you must insert this wire in this cup. Insert there. Yeah, that. And after you insert that, fuck. Then you now can solder that. After you solder it, test it. You must test it on your phone. Then hear it if there are sound. If there are sound, then you're good to go. After that, that difficult. Oh my gosh. After you screw it that, you must test first. Test first if it's has sound in here and also in there. Finally, I will buy another air cushion for this. The original air cushion. There, it's there.